to Havilland Beaver, originally in military service. We actually have all of the military logbooks for it, which is extremely rare for this airplane. It was purchased by the aluminum manufacturer up in Vancouver, Canada in 1978. He flew it up on gear towards Vancouver, landed in Washington at the border, deregistered the airplane, and it promptly got hit by a truck. He took the wings off and brought it back to his aluminum factory. He actually had many airplanes in that warehouse, and he tinkered with them over time. He got sick in the 1990s, and then they sat until he passed away in 2020. Somebody sent us a flyer of 4 airplanes, all completely disassembled in a warehouse in Canada. And we were interested, but of course at that point Canada was quarantining. I went to Canada in May of 2021 and quarantined for 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, I went and looked at the airplanes in a warehouse, packed them all up in 5 tractor-trailer trucks, and brought it back to our facility down in Bridgeport, Texas. And we spent the last 4 years restoring it. When we picked up the airplane, the whole tail was missing in it, and we ended up having to reskin from that door back. And in addition, we installed the Alaska door. I think the biggest challenge is that it's a big airplane for a kind of a small facility like us. So we were fortunate it was already in pieces, so we could work on one wing, everything else was stored. We could work on the other wing, everything else was stored, and then we could work on the fuselage. Parts are a little bit more of a problem with this airplane compared to our normal Cessna Skywagon work that we do. But we found that there's a lot of people that are willing to help. I don't think it's any one single challenge. It's a labor of love, though. You can't give up when you reach an obstacle. Well, why Beaver is more like the 4 airplanes in this estate sale were 3 Skywagons and a Beaver, and they said you have to take them all. And we're Skywagons experts, and we thought, well, we'll do the Skywagons and we'll learn about building a Beaver. We thought we'll give it a shot, and it really worked out. It's turned into a beautiful airplane. So this is a second career for me. So this is only my 3rd AirVenture. Every year, 6 months before, we start getting all ramped up. This is about getting to Oshkosh. We got to make sure we're there. We have put out our best foot forward, and we love being here the whole week. We bring everybody at our shop, all the employees come with us so that we make sure that everybody that works with us and for us knows what we're trying to do.